Assalamu alaikum class 9. Hope you all will be good. We have done tenses. In tenses we have revised present tense, present indefinite, continuous perfect and perfect continuous tense. We have also done two exercises. It's on page number 162, 163 and now I am going to do exercise on 164 on your grammar book. See your grammar book. It's from your grammar book and page number 164. Today date is 2nd July 2020. It's my 13th lecture and day is Thursday. We are going to start past tense and we will do past indefinite and past continuous tense and the exercise related to past indefinite and past continuous tense. See, the past tense has four forms. We know that it has four forms: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. See, the first one, the past indefinite. The past indefinite tense is used to indicate a single act or an action in the past. So we will describe an action in the past. It will be past indefinite tense. I had a cup of tea in the morning. See, second form of verb is given. In past indefinite tense positive sentence we have second form of verb. We write helping verb did not in negative sentence and then first form of verb. Same in interrogative sentence we write helping verb did subject and then first form of verb. सिर्फ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे, अदरवाइज नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे. दीज आर द रूल्स. सी, शी वेंट टू school an hour ago. When second form of verb is given. The Qaid-e-Azam worked very hard. He sold newspaper for living. She shut the door softly. So all these sentences related to past indefinite tense because the action is performing in past tense. The past continuous. The past continuous tense represent an action which was going on at some point in the past tense. So in past tense, if the action is going on, it is not completed, it will be past continuous tense. यानी इसमें complete action नहीं होगा, the action will be continue, the action will be ongoing. Then in the past time, so it will be past continuous tense. See, she was doing her home task when the guest arrived. There are two sentences are given. First sentence, she was doing her home task, and then when after when the guest arrived. Before when the sentence is past continuous tense and after when the sentence is past indefinite tense. Second form of verb is written. Arrived is second form of verb here. हमने when के बाद जो भी sentence होगा वो past indefinite tense होगा, when से पहले जो भी sentence होगा वो past continuous tense होगा. You have to remember it. That is the rule. Okay, after when we will write past simple or past indefinite tense and before when it will be past continuous tense. I was reading a book when the bell rang. Rang is second form of verb. They were going to school when the storm broke. It's again broke, second form of verb is written. The rule you have to remember, after when you will write second form of verb if the two sentences are given, and if the simple sentence is given you will write second form of verb in this activity. See, put the verb in brackets in the correct form of past tense, simple और continuous. सिंपल और continuous tense हमने इनमें लगाने हैं. अगर सिंपल सेंटेंस दिया हुआ होगा, जस्ट सिंगल सेंटेंस होगा तो उसमें हमने सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाने हैं. अगर नॉट आ जाएगा तो हम डिड लगाएंगे और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे, डिड नॉट लगाएंगे और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे. अगर टू सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं, बिफोर व्हेन वी विल राइट past continuous tense and after when we will write second form of verb and we make past indefinite tense. See, I have done first 8 sentences. First one, it began to rain an hour ago. You will write second form of verb. It began to rain an hour ago. How long ago you come here? It's single sentence, you write came here. How long ago you came here? She not hear any noise. Single sentence is given and note is given. You will write did hear. She did not hear. First form of verb. She did not hear any noise. He ride a bike when. So when is given, two sentences are given. When he met an accident, you will write he was riding a bike when he met. Second form of verb. After when we write second form of verb. When he met an accident. He left 20 minutes ago. He left 20 minutes ago. I go to airport when I saw her. Two sentences are given. I was going to airport when I saw her, not see her. The light go out when she have dinner. Have changed into had and we write was. The light was going out. Continuous tense we will write the light was going out when we had dinner. She sang a song when I entered the room. She was singing a song when I entered the room. I hope you have understand how you will change this form of verb given in the bracket. The same activity is given in your board exam. कोई भी सेंटेंस होगा you should know that how you will do it. अगर when आ रहा है तो आपने उसके बाद पास्ट फॉर्म लिखनी है और when से पहले जो सेंटेंस है उसमें आपने कॉन्टीन्यूस पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस लिखना है. आई होप यू विल डू रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस टू योर ऑन. इट्स योर होम टास्क. आई होप you have understand the activity. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.